Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, I could have become a doctor. I could have become a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर बन सकता था. Second, don't become my mother. Don't become my mother. मेरी माँ मत बनो. Third, he get constipated. He got constipated. उसे कब्ज़ हो गई. 4, don't shy like that. Don't shy like that. इस तरह मत शर्माओ. 5, don't pretend. Don't pretend. बहाने मत बनाओ. 6, if I were smarter, I would be here. If I were smarter, I would be here. अगर मैं तेज़ होता तो यहाँ होता. 7, this is your misunderstanding. This is your misunderstanding. ये तुम्हारी गलत फहमी है. 8, I don't wanna talk with you. I don't wanna talk with you. मैं तुम्हारे से बात नहीं करना चाहता. 9, you got a marriage proposal. You got a marriage proposal. तुम्हारे लिए रिश्ता आया था. The last one is 10, I'm a wage earner. I'm a wage earner. मैं एक दिहाड़ीदार मज़दूर हूँ. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.